Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for mid-March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Scorpio, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Scorpio, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy for mid-March 2021. Let's see what we have for you here, Scorpio. Also, Scorpio, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Scorpio, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's see what is your person energy coming up here for you, Scorpio. Okay, so let's pull the general energy. Okay, Scorpio, so on this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. Now, looking at the sign here, Scorpio, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm getting a very strong Cancer energy coming up here, so water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, as well as air energy coming up here, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So it's also quite interesting for you here, Scorpio, because I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up here right away. So the first thing that I'm getting for you here, Scorpio, is that I'm getting a very strong single vibe or single energy coming up here. So either both of you and your person are have currently got into a separation, or just you finally coming up to this particular point that this is it, I'm done, I'm not going to be bothered anymore, I'm just going to be like focusing on myself, I'm just going to be enjoying my single life. That kind of energy is what I'm getting strongly coming up here. I've also got the Ten of Swords energy coming up for you here, Scorpio, which is actually talking about feeling betrayed or feeling backstab energy. Now, this is something that could actually happen to you in the past, either recently or far back into the past, which is why you are currently having this particular decision that this is it, I'm not going to be bothered anymore, I'm just going to be single, or I'm just going to be focusing on myself, because this particular fear of betrayal, or still, like you haven't healed completely from this type of emotional pain and emotional trauma, feeling betrayed and feeling backstabbed in the past, with this Ten of Swords energy coming up here strongly. I've also got two energy coming up for you here, Scorpio. So the first thing that I'm getting for you here, Scorpio, is that I do feel like there is a very strong ego clash coming up here between you and your person, because both of you at this particular point of time here is coming up from a very, very strong masculine energy. So with these two masculine energy coming up here, what is going to happen next is just like an ego clash energy coming up here, which is why also I've got the playing it safe energy as the overall energy and the back and forth energy coming up here. It's like, again, some of you here got into a separation, or at least finally having this particular decision to stay single at this point of time, because you do realize there are a lot of things that you need to heal, I would say here, Scorpio. But some of you here is that, Scorpio, I do feel like there is a very strong ego clash energy coming up here. Now, this ego clash energy is definitely something that you also need to heal, because this is, if you do not heal this particular ego clash energy, what is going to happen here is that even though you do not want to be in a relationship with your person, whoever you will be in the future will always come in that particular repeated cycle. Now, what is the reason for you to have this ego clash energy here? Again, coming back to something that happened to you in the past that is making you feeling backstabbed, that is making you feeling betrayed here. So I do feel like some of you here, Scorpio, have this, like unknowingly or subconsciously here taking up the masculine masculine mantle just to protect yourself, or having this particular masculine energy here just as a self-defense mechanism is what I'm getting. So instead of healing this imbalanced masculine energy here, what you need to heal here, Scorpio, is that healing this particular betrayal or whatever emotional pain and emotional trauma that has been there within yourself is what I'm getting strongly here. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the number 7 coming up quite significantly, which is actually talking about confusion coming up here. 7 of Swords, 7 of Cups, and the 10 of Wands energy coming up here. So your person at this point of time here, Scorpio, they're actually feeling overwhelmed and overburdened. Now the reason why they're feeling overwhelmed and overburdened here, because of a very strong confusion energy coming out within themselves here. So I do feel like the major reason why I'm getting for both you and your person are currently in a separation, or at least having this particular on and off energy, or kind of like a little bit of negative energy at this point of time here, Scorpio, is that the major thing is definitely a communication energy, as well as ego energy coming up here very, very strongly. Now it's like both of you are missing each other, but both of your ego is what's stopping both of you to just to just meet and to just finally addressing the issue one by one. So this is like the main thing is what I'm getting strongly coming up for you here, Scorpio. I've also got the 7 of Swords and the 7 of Cups energy coming up here. So as you can see here with this both energy, your person are actually thinking about you. At least they have this particular little bit of sadness, I would say here, or a little bit of heartbroken energy, because because of the separation coming up here. I do feel like your person at this point of time here, Scorpio, is like trying to keep themselves busy, or at least trying to to do so many things at one here, but there are still baggages within themselves here. As you can see here with this 7 of Swords energy here, they want to come towards you, but at the same time here there are still baggages within themselves here that they're still carrying. Now these baggages here, that could also be the reason why the ego, like their ego, is also coming up really, really strongly. So as you can see here, I'm getting a very strong baggage energy coming up here. Now this particular baggage energy, now this can be anything: emotional pain, emotional trauma, karmic situation, whatever it is that they're currently stuck with at this point of time here, which is making them feeling overwhelmed and overburdened within themselves here. The same baggage are actually what making them feeling confused, making them feeling just like not sure what to do here. They want to come towards you. I've got the Chariot energy coming up here, so they definitely wants to come towards you here. Now the only thing that is currently stopping them here, because of all of these baggages within themselves here, again they're feeling really, really overwhelmed and overburdened. I feel like the communication between both of you at this point of time is not really on point, or kind of like on and off communication here. One thing that I know for sure here, Scorpio, is that they're feeling overwhelmed and overburdened because of the no communication, or at least because of this very strong stuck energy and temporary pause between both of you here. And the reason why they're feeling overwhelmed and overburdened, because they want to communicate with you. They want to, they want to have this conversation and this connection pick up, but at the same time here, they cannot put down their ego as well. So there are a lot of this is why I'm getting like back and forth energy here. I'm getting like a very strong feeling ungrounded at this point of time here. So I feel like this is the major problem between both of you at this point of time here, Scorpio. They're feeling ungrounded, they are overwhelmed and overburdened here, and the ego is really, really high up, like really, really high up, I would say here, Scorpio. And this is also why I'm getting the playing it safe energy coming up here. Like they kind of like putting themselves inside this box, which is full of the ego, and they kind of like hesitant to come outside of that box here. So that's it for your reading here, Scorpio. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.